is one of the most expensive and luxury airport in Asia, Singapore.
Welcome to Changi Airport Group. Changi Airport. Nice.
With Singapore's strategic location being a favorable destination for high-demand layovers, it is the 8th busiest airport in the world. And this is my expectation versus reality while traveling to Singapore Airport.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. So mission failed ako. Kung maliwanag lang dito sana, ayos sana eh. Kasi parang... Nakakatawa.
So from my hotel in Australia and repacking all my stuff plus cleaning my room, I immediately traveled by car through the Gladstone Airport.
So katapos ko na mag-check-in, yung bagahe ko is 22 kg. Makuha ko na rin yung aking boarding pass, passport. Now,
Ito na ata yung pinakamaliit na airport na napuntahan ko sa buong buhay ko.
So walang ka-hassle-hassle dito. Ang bilis lang nung screening sa baggage, saka sa hand carry mo, at saka sa katawan din. Ang bilis lang sobra. So napakaganda naman ang airport ito. Maliit siya pero less hassle siya. Hindi ka mai-stress.
So from Gladstone, Australia, I'll be heading towards Brisbane Airport, a domestic flight with an hour travel through this small plane.
So yan yung eroplano namin na sasakyan. Naglakad lang kami, papasok ng eroplano. Wow, look at that. Nakakatakot, ang liit lang niya.
Operate the taxi, just pull down this operating handle, grab it, we come to a stop on board our private operator, and the exit, you know, just open that bottom panel, down.
So finally, after an hour up in the sky, finally we safely landed to the
Nandito na ako sa Brisbane Airport. Napaka-smooth lang ng biyahe namin. Maliit lang yung aeroplano, kaya grabe yung turbulence, sobrang alog. Nagtanong ako sa isang information desk kung kukunin ko pa yung baggage ko dito kasi lalabas ako eh. So gusto ko makasigurado. Lalabas ako ng airport at yung international transfer ay nandoon sa labas.
Next stop is to find the next terminal by following the signage international transfer out of the airport.
So hindi ko na alam kung anong next. Saan ako pupunta? Saan ako magta-transfer? So wala akong nakikitang international transfer dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Nakakatawa. Excuse me sir, can I ask a question? Where's the international transfer here? Huh? Ah, okay. I don't know. Thanks, by the way. So I think I need to go back inside and ask someone. Can I ask a question? Where is the international transfer?
You have to take a bus. It's a free bus. It's an orange bus.
Orange
It's only here.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bus will pass here?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the name of the bus? I mean,
I think it's International Airport.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So may bus daw na daraan dito at sa bus na yun yung international transfer. Kinabahan ako, kala ko naligaw na naman ako. Doon, muntikan na ako pumasok doon at umakyat. So umupo na lang muna ako. Meron naman akong allotted na 5 hours sa pag-antay ko sa next flight ko. Ang sabi dito, dadaan daw dito yung orange na bus. Okay. Mag-aantay ako ng ilang oras, minuto. Pero kinakabahan na ako. Hindi ako sanay ng ganito.
So after the struggles, waiting, and asking a lot of personnel on the airport, I finally found the bus.
Is this international transfer? So sumakay na lang ako ng bus dito. International naman daw to. Ang mahalaga, maligaw man tayo. At least meron pa akong 5 hours para hanapin yung airport. Nakakatawa. Pero kanina paglabas ko ng airport, nagulat ako, wala akong alam. At wala na yung international transfer na signage na wala na, kaya kinabahan na ako agad. I hope this bus is okay and will deliver me to the international transfer. Grabe. Kinabahan ako dun. Am I in the right terminal? It's Terminal 1 here.
Yep, so you'll check right through to where? Manila.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can just go straight downstairs.
Tama pala ako. Ang saya. Ito yung terminal nila.
So reaching my destination really gave me a relief. What now I have to do is to buy souvenir and gifts.
Security check. At nandito na ako sa loob ng kanilang duty free dito sa Brisbane. Nandito na ako sa gate. Medyo napagod ako sa shopping na ginawa ko. Kakapagod din pala. Nag-aantay na lang ako ng boarding dito sa, syempre, economy kami. Tapos Singapore sa 7 hours flight yung gagawin ko. So yan yung airport. Kita tayo mamaya sa loob ng eroplano. Inaantok na din ako. Kakapagod din pala. Ay, sa wakas makapagpahinga na rin ako. Last time, patapos na rin. Boarding time na. 69K ako. Panigurado sa bintana ako. Hello.
Madam, that is it.
Thank you.
So after an amazing race of finding my exact terminal,
Hello.
including doing some verbal research on the personnel on the airport, I got it finally right.
Yes, 69.
My flight is a 7 hours travel from Brisbane, Australia to Changi Airport, Singapore. It's gonna be a very long trip.
Look what I've got here. So I have here some bread, butter, corn, pasta, cake.
This is gonna be my first flight meal and it tastes really so good for an empty stomach. This flight is really a tiresome and feeling confined, so I just use up my time while enjoying the plane.
Thank you.
So nasa Singapore na ako. Dumating ako dito ng 5:05 ng umaga. So lahat ng tourist destination dito ay ting sarado. May oras lang hanggang 8 AM to 5 PM. So hindi pala siya laging bukas. Nadaanan ko yung Butterfly Garden. Akala ko open. Kasi may mga nakita akong tao sa loob. Sarado pala. Sayang naman. Puntahan natin yung Jewel. Yun ang ating target dito. Puntahan ng Jewel. Nakita ko kanina yun kaso madilim eh. Hindi makita yung buong area. Nakita ko lang yung parang spear sa labas.
So after 8 hours of flight in Singapore airplane, I arrived in Terminal 3, the biggest and the largest terminal among the 4. You can find the luxury brands in this terminal. And all terminals are interconnected via a free Sky train.
So dito sa level 3 sa taas, dito yung mga transit lounge na
Pwedeng pag-stayan. Terminal 3 has a lot to offer for tourists that has a long layover, and one of them and it's free cinema.
So ito yung movie theater.
Pang showing ngayon is Batman. Pwede kang pumunta dito, libre. Kung mahaba yung layover mo dito, pwede ka tumambay dito at manood. So may mga free movie dito. Pwede ka rin matulog siguro sa loob.
So ito yung free movie. May mga nanonood. At bawal mag-ingay. At ayun yung palabas. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung palabas. Pero free movie to. Nakita ko dito may mga natutulog sa lapag. At hindi naman occupied lahat. So okay na din to, di ba? At least, meron kang tatambayan. Gusto ko lang makita kung ano yung free movie. At huwag mong kakalimutan isara yung kurtina. Dahil kailangan always madilim dun dapat sa loob.
So other than with the free cinema, another tourist spot here in Terminal 3 is the Sunflower Garden.
So pupuntahan ko yung Sunflower Garden. Sunflower Garden. Nakakainis. Dahil maaga pa dito. Tingnan nyo naman. Nandito na nga ako sa sunflower. Wala naman ako makita. Hindi makita ng camera. Ay. Sayang naman. Kung maliwanag lang dito sana. Ayos sana eh.
So because the sunflower garden has no sun to follow, I decided to go straight to Jewel. The purpose of this vlog is to see and explore the Jewel, which is one of the most remarkable architectural design in the world. In order to visit the Jewel as a traveler, you have to pass in immigration and answer the arrival Singapore card online. But there is a problem on that because the Jewel is not open all the time.
Oh, hindi siya gumagana. So, nagtanong ako sa immigration, sa information nila kung pwede ko ma-visit yung Jewel sa ganitong oras kasi yung boarding ko is 9:05. So, hindi na pala. Sayang. Sana pagdating ko dito ng alas 5, o yun na pala dapat yung inuna ko. At saka sabi ng mga immigration, isarado daw yung Jewel. Kaya wala rin daw ako makikita kahit yung waterfall sarado din. So, maybe next time na lang. So, mission failed ako. Hindi ko nakita yung loob ng Jewel. Nakakasama ng loob. Okay lang. Siguro next time na lang ulit. Ganun talaga. Sayang. So, papunta na ako sa gate ko, sa Terminal 2. E28 yung gate ko.
So Jewel is no longer meant for me. I feel frustrated and down. However, as on my way to Terminal 2, this makes me amazed. This is Dreamscape, the newest garden in Terminal 2, which is enchanting blend of nature and technology with a digital content plants and fish. A digital sky ceiling, which is a real-time weather condition outside the terminal. The garden also has a fish pond that passengers can walk across on a transparent platform amid audio recordings of more than 100 calls of birds, insects, and other creatures.
So dahil hindi ako nakapunta dun sa Jewel at ang sabi ng immigration 10 pa daw ng umaga nagbubukas yun. Ano ba naman yan? Kung ano pa yung pinakamaganda dito sa Singapore, yun pa yung sarado. Bakit naman ganun? Sayang tuloy yung oras ko sa paglilibot. So dahil na di ko nakapuntahan yun, ito na lang ginawa ko. Binalikan ko yung sunflower para at least makita ko to ng umaga at makita nyo rin kung gaano kaganda yung mga sunflower dito. Ay, sayang. Nangihinayang talaga ako sa Jewel na yun. Dapat yun ang gawin nilang pinaka-main at yun ang buksan nila. Sayang, hindi ko napuntahan. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako uli makakapunta dito. Nagmamadali na ako at saka feeling ko bus na yung oras ko.
So that's it for this journey. Expectations sometimes bound to be broken. But reality makes us always realize that sometimes things don't get the way it was. But in the end, I still enjoy my journey. So please, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Join me again on my next vlog. Bye bye!